there everyone, welcome back to Bisayan Crafter channel and welcome to this tutorial on creating fun and festive unicorn themed birthday gift tags. So today we'll be sharing a few simple tips and techniques to help you create a magical gift tag for a unicorn loving child. So if you're looking for a perfect way to add some sparkle to your child's birthday, then these unicorn-themed birthday gift tags are the perfect way to make your present stand out. You don't really need much to create this project. All you need are a few basic supplies and a bit of creativity to make beautiful, personalized unicorn-themed gift tags. So let's get it on. On my design space, I have here my gift tag template ready, as well as the other elements which I need to incorporate on my design for this project. You can, however, check out different gift tag shapes and sizes online too. But if you have subscribed to Cricut Access, there are many gift tag templates available as well which are free to use. Okay, so first let's duplicate the template we have here and we'll keep it aside as we'll be needing it for later. And then this unicorn confetti right here, we will duplicate as well and attach to the template. Just lay it over to the template and highlight and click on slice and get rid of the extras by selecting it and hit delete. Then select all and flatten them. I'd like to change the color of my design space here so you will get a good view on the design. And to change the background color, simply go to the bottom right panel of your canvas and click on the template icon and select the color you want. Now that you have all the elements put together, select all and flatten them. The duplicate template we have here will serve as our backing as I'll be printing the design onto a glossy printable vinyl. Now let's resize my template to 8 centimeters in height. Let's save the project and we are ready to print. After your Cricut finishes cutting out your design, place your cutouts onto a piece of cardstock. Since I am using a printable sticker vinyl, I'm just gonna have to attach the vinyl onto the cardstock. And that's it. You now have a beautiful gift tags to adorn your presents for a special birthday celebration. With this easy step, you will have your unicorn gift tag ready in no time. So have fun getting creative with colors and design to make something truly one of a kind. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and happy crafting. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.